Hello students, so in this video we will discuss the important questions of nerve and muscle physiology. Okay, so please subscribe to Education Portal in order to get more videos on physiology. So let's discuss the very important questions of nerve and muscle physiology if you are appearing an exam of nerve and muscle physiology. Okay, so what is the first question? The first question is define resting membrane potential. You should have the idea of resting membrane potential and how resting membrane potential is generated in a skeletal muscle. Okay, so this is very important question in of nerve and muscle physiology. Important question of nerve and muscle physiology is what is spike potential? Okay, what is spike potential and why sodium ions cannot pass through the potassium channels? Okay, why sodium channels are separated from potassium channel? This is another very important question of nerve and muscle physiology. Okay, so the third most important question is define refractory period. What is refractory period? And write down the types of refractory period. Okay, what are the types of refractory period? Absolute refractory period and the relative refractory period. Okay, you should have a good idea of refractory periods, its types, what is absolute refractory period, what is relative refractory period, and you should have a good idea of the mechanism of refractory period. Okay, why a second action potential cannot generated during the refractory period. This is also another important question of nerve and muscle physiology. Okay, so the next important question is what is saltatory conduction? Okay guys, what is saltatory means it is saltatory conduction. Okay, and you should have a good idea what are the advantages of saltatory conduction. Okay, it saves energy, it is time consuming. Okay, the fifth question of the nerve and muscle physiology is compare the saltatory and non-saltatory conduction of nerve impulses. You should have the idea of how to compare between the saltatory and non-saltatory conduction of a nerve impulse. Okay, so the sixth most important question of nerve and muscle physiology is what is walk long theory? Okay students, these are two theories of muscle contraction. One is the walk long theory and other is the sliding filament model of muscle contraction. You should have good idea what is walk long theory of muscle contraction and what is the sliding filament model of muscle contraction. Remember students, another question comes, write down the molecular events of muscle contraction. If you are asked for the molecular event of muscle contraction, you have to write the sliding filament model of muscle contraction. Okay, and you have to remember both theories of muscle contraction, the walk long theory of muscle contraction and model of muscle contraction. Okay, these theories are very important and one of these theory comes in every exam of the nerve and muscle physiology. Okay, so the next important question is myasthenia gravis. What is myasthenia gravis? What is the pathophysiology of myasthenia gravis? How myasthenia gravis develops in a person? And what are the drugs or the medicine we give in myasthenia gravis? For example, if we give a medicine in the myasthenia gravis, so how the medicine improves the patient condition? This is very important question. And the next important clinical is Lambert-Eaton syndrome. Lambert-Eaton syndrome is also another important clinical question of nerve and muscle physiology. You should have a good idea of both myasthenia gravis and Lambert-Eaton syndrome and how they are different from each other. This is another important question. One is the presynaptic disease, another the postsynaptic disease, that is the postsynaptic terminal. Okay, so the next important question is what is sarcomere and what histological changes occur during the muscle contraction. Okay, what histological changes occur during the muscle contraction in sarcomere. Okay, so the next important question is neuromuscular junction. Guys, it is very blockbuster question. Neuromuscular junction, its diagram, the diagram of neuromuscular junction and the events of neuromuscular transmission. These questions are very important. Please do its practice and remember it for a long time. Watch Dr. Najeeb lectures for the neuromuscular junction. Okay, so the next important question is give sequence of events of power stroke. What is power stroke during muscle contraction? Okay, and what are the sequence of events during the power stroke? Very important question in nerve and muscle physiology. Okay, so the next important question is write the difference between the fast and slow muscle fibers. Okay, this can also become as a red versus white fibers and slow versus fast fibers. Very important question. Okay guys, you should have a good idea of fast and slow muscle fibers. Also the red and white fibers, both have same names and both are same things. Okay, so the next important question is what is end plate potential? End plate potential, you will also learn this topic in the neuromuscular junction. In the end of neuromuscular junction, a potential develops in the end motor end plate. This potential is known as the end plate potential. what is end plate potential, and how the end plate potential develops. This is very very important. The genesis of end plate potential is also another important question of nerve and muscle physiology. Okay, so the next important question is the explanatory notes. You should be asked the explanatory notes on the troponin and tropomyosin complex. Rigor mortis. What is rigor mortis? How rigor mortis? A good idea of rigor mortis, so you can identify the rigor mortis if it is given in the clinicals. Okay, so the next is the genesis of resting membrane potential. This is very very important question. Just genesis of resting membrane potential. Okay, so the next important question is draw and label the strength duration curve and explain various properties of nerve fibers. So students, these are very very important questions of nerve and muscle physiology. I hope you will remember all these questions and you will score good marks in the physiology paper of nerve and muscle physiology. So thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Allah Hafiz.